Bro, trust me, this easiest way to start dropshipping in 2024 for beginners. Here's is what you will learn from this video. Here's what you can expect to learn. What is dropshipping and why it's perfect for beginners? How to find trending products and reliable suppliers. Step-by-step Shopify setup. Digital marketing strategies to drive traffic and sales. Common beginner mistakes and how to avoid them. How to scale your business in 2024 and beyond. Hey everyone, welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to start dropshipping in 2024. If you're a beginner looking to dive into the world of e-commerce, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to launch your very own dropshipping business from scratch. So grab a notebook and let's get started. What is dropshipping and why it's great for beginners? Let's kick things off by explaining what dropshipping actually is. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without ever holding inventory yourself. Here's how it works. 1. You set up an online store and list products for sale. 2. When a customer places an order, you purchase the item from a supplier. 3. The supplier ships the product directly to your customer. So why is this great for beginners? Well, there are several reasons. Low startup costs. You don't need to invest in inventory upfront. Minimal risk. Since you're not stuck with unsold products, there's less financial risk. Location independence. You can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. Scalability. It's easy to add new products and test different niches. Now, dropshipping isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires hard work, dedication, and smart strategy. But for beginners, it's an excellent way to dip your toes into e-commerce without breaking the bank. 2. Finding trending products and reliable suppliers in 2024. One of the keys to dropshipping success is choosing the right products to sell. Here's a step-by-step process to find trending products. Step 1. Use trend research tools. Google Trends. See what people are searching for. Trend Hunter. Discover emerging trends across various industries. Exploding topics. Find rapidly growing trends before they peak. Step 2. Analyze social media. Check trending hashtags on Instagram and TikTok. Look at popular pins on Pinterest. Monitor Facebook groups in your niche. Step 3. Explore e-commerce marketplaces. Amazon bestsellers. eBay watch count. AliExpress popular. Once you've identified potential products, it's time to find reliable suppliers. Here are some top platforms for 2024. 1. AliExpress. Huge selection, but be sure to vet suppliers carefully. 2. Spocket. Focuses on US and EU suppliers for faster shipping. 3. SaleWho. Offers a directory of verified wholesalers and drop shippers. 4. CJ Dropshipping. Integrates well with Shopify and offers good shipping times. When choosing a supplier, consider factors like product quality, shipping times, communication, return policies, pricing. Remember, your supplier is a crucial partner in your business, so choose wisely. 3. Setting up your Shopify dropshipping store. Now that we've covered product research and suppliers, let's set up your Shopify store. Shopify is one of the most popular platforms for dropshipping due to its ease of use and powerful features. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Sign up for Shopify. Go to shopify.com and start your 14-day free trial. Choose a unique store name. Step 2. Choose and customize your theme. Browse the Shopify theme store. Pick a theme that fits your niche. Many great free options available. Customize colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Step 3. Add essential pages. Create an About Us page. Add a contact page. Write clear shipping and return policies. Step 4. Set up payment gateways. Enable Shopify payments, if available in your country. Add additional payment options like PayPal. Step 5. Add products to your store. Write compelling product descriptions. Use high-quality images. Set prices and variants. Step 6. Install necessary apps. Oberlo or DSers for AliExpress integration. Lux for product reviews. Klaviyo for email marketing. Remember to keep your store design clean and user-friendly. First impressions matter. 4. Setting competitive pricing and profit margins. Pricing your products correctly is crucial for your dropshipping success. Here's how to approach it. 1. Calculate your costs. Product costs from supplier. Shipping fees. Shopify fees. Payment processing fees. Marketing costs. 2. Research competitor pricing. Use tools like PriceInk or Competera. Check prices on Amazon and eBay. 3. Determine your profit margin. Aim for at least a 20 to 30% profit margin. Consider using a dynamic pricing strategy. 4. Use psychological psychological pricing tactics. Charm pricing, e.g. 19 tau $9.99 instead of 20. Anchor pricing, showing original price versus sale price. 5. Offer bundles or upsells to increase average order value. Remember, the lowest price doesn't always win. Focus on providing value and building a strong brand to justify higher prices. 5. Driving traffic with digital marketing strategies. Having a great store isn't enough. You need to drive traffic to it. Here are some effective digital marketing strategies for 2024. 1. Facebook ads. Create a Facebook Business Manager account. Install the Facebook Pixel on your store. Start with small budgets, $5 to $10 per day to test. Use video ads for better engagement. Leverage retargeting to reach warm audiences. 2. Instagram ads. Use Instagram shopping features. Partner with micro-influencers in your niche. Create engaging stories and reels. 3. Influencer marketing. Identify influencers in your niche using tools like Hype Auditor. Start with micro-influencers, 10K, 100K followers. Offer affiliate commissions or free products in exchange for promotion. 4. SEO and content marketing. Optimize your product pages for relevant keywords. Start a blog to attract organic traffic. Create how-to videos and tutorials related to your products. 5. Email marketing. Build an email list from day one. Send welcome series, abandoned cart emails, and regular newsletters. Segment your list for more targeted campaigns. Remember, it's better to master 1 or 2 channels than to spread yourself too thin across many platforms. 6. Common beginner mistakes and how to avoid them. As a beginner, it's easy to make mistakes. Here are some common ones to watch out for. 1. Choosing overly saturated products. Solution: look for unique or emerging trends. 2. Neglecting customer service. Solution: prioritize quick response times and clear communication. 3. Ignoring shipping times. Solution: be transparent about shipping times and consider using faster shipping options. 4. Not having a clear return policy. Solution: create a fair, easy to understand return policy. 5. Focusing solely on paid advertising. Solution: diversify your traffic sources with SEO and content marketing. 6. Trying to do everything yourself. Solution: use automation tools and consider outsourcing tasks as you grow. 7. Not tracking important metrics. Solution: monitor KPIs like conversion rate, average order value, and customer acquisition cost. By avoiding these pitfalls, you'll set yourself up for greater success in your dropshipping journey. 7. Scaling your dropshipping business in 2024 and beyond. Once you've got your store up and running, it's time to think about scaling. Here are some strategies to grow your business. 1. Automation tools. Use Zapier to automate repetitive tasks. Implement chatbots for customer service. Set up automated email marketing flows. 2. Outsourcing. Hire virtual assistants for customer service and order processing. Work with freelance designers and copywriters to improve your store. Consider a social media manager to handle your online presence. 3. Expand your product line. Add complementary products to increase average order value. Test new niches based on customer data. 4. Improve your supply chain. Negotiate better rates with suppliers as your volume increases. Consider working with multiple suppliers for faster shipping. 5. Invest in branding. Create custom packaging and inserts. Develop a strong brand story and values. 6. Explore new markets. Translate your store into different languages. Research and expand into new geographic regions. Remember, scaling isn't just about growing bigger. It's about growing smarter. Always keep an eye on your profit margins and customer satisfaction as you expand. All right, we've covered a lot of ground in this video. Let's wrap up with some final words of encouragement for all you aspiring dropshippers out there. Starting a dropshipping business in 2024 can be an exciting and rewarding journey. Yes, there will be challenges along the way, but with persistence and the right strategies, you can build a successful online business. Here are my final tips for success. 1. Stay patient. Success doesn't happen overnight. Give yourself time to learn and grow. 2. Be adaptable. The e-commerce landscape is always changing. Stay flexible and ready to pivot when necessary. 3. Focus on providing value. Always put your customers first and strive to solve their problems. 4. Keep learning. The world of dropshipping is vast. Never stop educating yourself about new trends and strategies. 5. build a community. Connect with other dropshippers to share experiences and learn from each other. Remember, every successful dropshipper started exactly where you are now. With dedication, smart work, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes, you can turn your dropshipping dreams into reality. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to take that first step and start your dropshipping journey. I can't wait to see what you'll achieve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more e-commerce tips and strategies. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy dropshipping.